Human memory formation is an energetically and molecularly costly process. It does not and could not have the goal of perfect recall. In fact, none of us can remember every single moment of our lives. We remember what is meaningful to us about the moments that we experience, and what's meaningful to us changes as time goes by. Implicit or experiential memory is more so related to subconscious processes, things that we might do automatically. We might learn such things in not such an automatic or in a very conscious way, but then quickly they become part of the subconscious way that we live our lives. Just for the sake of redundancy, tiny microtubules with the potential to conduct electrical current, set up connections with one another. Those connections with one another are reinforced by sensory input from some area in the rest of the peripheral nervous system. Electrical activity is always going to fall across the path of least resistance. The important part of that comes along when we consider the monumental work of Louis Liebenberg. Liebenberg's doctoral dissertation in South Africa became the book, The Art of Tracking, The Origin of Science. And what Liebenberg sort of gleaned from his interaction with basically hunter-gatherer people in the bush of South and Central Africa is that at some point in human development, there's a place where you take the physical anticipation or the physical signs of tracking. An animal is going this way. And your prior experience, which is, oh, over that way is a water hole. The constant remodeling of our nervous system is related to the experiences that we have, but also continually related to the resources that are available to us to facilitate repair and laying down of new remodeled structures. Vincamin, or vinca, is a pretty common plant used in landscape the world over, and is an excellent improver of blood flow into the brain. A reminder for me with this particular conversation that sensory enrichment isn't something that's going to quote unquote fix a brain, but it is something that strengthens it, and it strengthens it through our lifetime. And the more that we can engage in novelty, the more that we can engage in new sensory enrichment processes. If you don't know, if you only know one language, learn two more.